Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Great. So, yeah, you all know me by now, I guess. I'm Björn Ritzel. I work as a developer at King. I've probably emailed with all of you guys here regarding the conference. So you're all very, very welcome here to Stockholm and to King and the annual Lua conference. So I'd like to start by introducing our first speaker, Thomas Hartwig, CTO of King. Welcome.
Hi everyone, good morning. Good to see so many happy faces in the at 9 o'clock in the morning. That's fantastic. I'm not gonna spend or take up too much of your time here to this morning because I know you all want to get into the nitty-gritty things of Lua and what you can do with it. So, but first of all. I'm coming from a company called King, and we are a gaming company based mostly here in Stockholm, but we also have a number of studios around the world. And now you might wonder, okay, why are these candy guys? Because we probably our most famous game is called Candy Crush Saga. So why are these candy guys sponsoring a Lua conference in Stockholm 2015? And that is actually a good question. But if you look at King right now, we are leveraging and being more and more dependent on Lua when we develop games. And the reason for that is that when we started to develop games many years ago, in 2003, we were developing our games in ActionScript. And later on, when we started to develop mobile games, we started to develop mobile games in C++. And what we have been doing for the last year and a half is to focus more and more efforts in trying to come up with a way how to make game development more efficient, but also give more freedom and give back some creativity to the developers. And we have been leveraging a game engine that is part of King right now called Default for that. And basically as a developer, you use Lua to script and build complete games. And for us, this quarter is very interesting because we will actually launch our first game built on this engine to the world. And hopefully that will be successful. So that is the main reason why we saw that this is a very good opportunity for us to be part of this workshop here in Stockholm this year. Furthermore, there is one cool thing with that we are trying to achieve right now too, and that is this game engine that we have in-house called Default. We actually acquired a very small startup 2 years ago. It was founded by Ragnar, who's sitting there, and another guy called Christian. They had been working on this game engine for many years, and when we first saw that, we really liked their idea of trying to create games with as little friction as possible. And we started to talk to them, and at some point they joined King. And they had their vision of trying to create a framework, or basically the world's best game engine for 2D games. And we have been trying to support that vision. And a couple of months ago, or more than a couple of months, actually more than a year ago, we took a decision to say, okay, why don't we try to give back to the whole gaming community by bringing this product and to make it basically available to everyone out there that wants to create games. Because we believe that everyone wants to play games and everyone enjoys playing games, and it's good for the society if everyone plays games. So why don't we sort of try to encourage it by letting something out? So this month, just a couple of weeks ago, we actually opened up our closed beta of that product, which is very exciting. Furthermore, we really care about the craftsmanship of creating software, and you can create software using multiple different languages, and Lua is one of them that we are using, and it's very interesting to see how it can unleash creativity among developers. So that is the main reason why we are here and why we are honored to be part of this workshop, and we hope that you all will have 2 really interesting, good days here in Stockholm. So welcome everyone, and happy hacking.